This video is not sponsored. They are definitely not paying me. I wish they would, but I'm just letting y'all know I am not getting paid.
Hey, my name Alicia. It's really nice to meet ya. Sub to the channel, I'm not gonna disappoint. I'm here to please ya. I got vlogs, challenges, mukbangs, and pranks dropping every week. If you stay tuned and hit the bell, you won't ever miss a beat. That's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah. That's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah. Make sure to hit that sub button, make sure you hit that bell, cause it go ring, 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 just like my cell. It's Alicia World checking in, yeah, yeah.
One thing that I wanted to say before I leave is that this is my official YouTube music channel. This is where I will be uploading all of my music. As you can see, I have Alicia's World music, and then I have my video, which I only drop my music. It has a closed caption now because I added that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to check it out, I just wanted to inform y'all because Lord I Made It, my song, will not be on my channel, Alicia's World, anymore. It is now going to be on Alicia's World music. So yeah, I just wanted to say that really quick and definitely check it out. What is poppin'? What's dropping, Alicia World gang? Today I wanted to talk about a free website that y'all can use. The first website we're gonna start with today is called Teespring. Teespring is a online website and you're gonna be able to sell products on it for free. Okay, for free. Let's get it started. So you just go to teespring.com and let's get started. Oh yeah, Teespring is now called Spring, but I still call it Teespring because that's what I'm used to calling it. But yeah, same thing. So I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons real quick. So the pros about Teespring is that it's no hassle. You don't have to provide any payment, no credit card up front. That is the main thing that I'm like, wow. You don't gotta, I'm telling you, a lot of apps nowadays, they be like, oh, you gotta provide payment up front. Nope, Teespring don't do that. Another thing that I really like is that they have a lot of different types of clothing that you can choose from. You can choose from clothes to even like different things like accessories, or you can even do something digitally. You can even do canvases, okay? So it's so much to choose from. Definitely check them out. I'm telling y'all, those are some pros. And then another thing that I really like from Teespring is that it's very easy to go through. It's very easy to navigate the web page and everything. Everything is up front. You don't have to dig deep to look for stuff, you know. Some cons, I would say some of the t-shirts may feel kind of thin. Real good material. So that's what I'm going to say. Since this website is free, you got to understand that free is not going to mean the best. Free is not going to mean, oh, you're going to get high quality stuff. Free means like whatever they want you to get. Another con is that the setup, when you get ready to set up your web page, they don't really, like, the layout is kind of real simple, real basic, and they don't give you too much room to change. Meaning my web page, despite the color and everything, my web page is going to probably look the same for everybody else's that use Teespring. Unless I change my banner, my color theme, but the layout basically stays the same. So that's kind of like a con. So right now I have logged in and it brought me to my home tab. It shows you how much products you ordered, well, how much people ordered, what type of profit you made, and then how much you are to be paid. But as you can see, everything is zero because I have not started selling yet, but I will be selling on my music channel starting in June. So definitely check that out. It's going to be in the upper right corner. But let's get started. So down here, it gives you like all these different articles that you can read that's going to help you push your brand further. Now, if we go down here, it says create, and it brings you to the page where you can basically create anything you want, but not anything, okay? It lets you get something, okay? So you can do t-shirts, you can do sweatshirts, hoodies. They even have mugs and print glasses, stickers, And then I want to show you guys something that is just amazing to me. If you come over here to digital, look at this stuff. You can make ebooks, tutorials, coloring books. I'm telling you, anything that's digital, it's just amazing. Wallpapers. I'm not really into this type of stuff, but I'm telling you, if you have a business where you're starting out selling, podcasts or video files, it's possible to do it for free. You don't have to worry about the hassle with paying up front. So that is amazing. So what I'm going to do is go down. So listings, this means what you have you listed, like clothing wise or product wise. Stores, if we go in here, it has like your store. So if you want to edit a storefront, all you do is come to stores. You will have the availability to change your name, and that is my name of my store. And then up here at this little black button, it says store editor. So what you want to do is click on that. I'm gonna get to these in a little bit. So you click store editor, and it's all of these theme settings. Now the difference, and this is kind of where I'm getting to like some cons, is that they don't really give you that much selection. If you were working with a website designer like Wix or Shopify, they definitely have a more in-depth and advanced settings bar. So you can really go deep into like editing how your page look, the setup, how many layers you have. It has it all. This one only comes with one type of style. And I noticed that because it looks the same on everybody's page. So I'm telling you, if you went on somebody's page and it looked like this, everybody's Teespring is going to kind of have this layout. So it gives you an area where you can put your logo. I didn't put a logo. I just put the name of the page. And then I displayed my social links. And then my colors right now are the yellow and black to represent my clothing brand drop for Lord I Made It collection. If you go back, a hero banner is this right here. So I just put this in there so people could see. Let's go back. Products. So these are my products. Let me go back to show y'all what that looks like. And then lastly is the footer. And my footer, it just say powered by Spring and just more information. And then it says Alicia's World merch. And then I put a little thing that says Alicia's World official merch site. So that people know that, hey, this is the official channel. Nothing else. As you can see, this is my t-shirt that I'll be selling in June. And it got my Lord I Made It print. It say I done prayed for this moment. Now I gotta stay fully focused. And then at the bottom it say Lord I Made It. On the back, I wanted to incorporate this little saying where it says, no more sleep, I gotta eat, I gotta rise, I can't be beat. It's a premium tee. The only color is black. The sizes go all the way up until 3XL. And I'm selling it for $22.99. But yeah, so this is how my store is set up. This is the whole store. And look, it looks like it's already put together. Real simple. Over here you got payouts. Of course, I had purchased my t-shirt for myself because I want to make sure that it's a good t-shirt and it feels good, because I don't want to be getting products out to people if it's going to be like messy. Nobody wants that. You always need to try out your products before you sell them. Then down here you can input your payment methods, and then tools and services. They have different articles about promotions and different things. If I wanted to do a discount or free shipping, I can do that. As you can see, I can create a new promotion whenever. And then you could also look at different things for Instagram and get things connected. So my whole thing about Teespring is that it's a great website to start with. But that's the main idea. That's the main word, to start with. I wouldn't, if you're a clothing brand owner and you do get to that point where you have saved enough money and you are stable, I think then you have to understand about moving on and moving up. Once you get enough money and you got yourself together and you can afford inventory and actually getting materials to get things made or whatever, then you want to switch to an actual website. But just to get started, I would definitely start with Teespring. At first, I was very judgmental because I was like, I don't know if I want to start here, because I heard a lot of bad things. People were saying like, oh, it's horrible because they stop using these products, and it's horrible because their products are less quality. It's horrible because like they don't have really good customer service and this and that. But it's funny because I've watched all of their YouTube videos about people critiquing them. But at the same time, you got to understand, hey, y'all, didn't Teespring say that we're free? Like, it's kind of like, duh, like, what do you expect? Do you expect this website to be perfect like Wix and all these other ones that you pay for? No, please don't go into it thinking like, oh, this about to be like easy breezy. It's not. It's something that's free. It's helpful because it gets you started, but it's definitely not something that you would stick with forever. It's something to get you started off your feet for like a month or two, or a couple of months, maybe half a year. But yeah, don't go into this thinking it's about to be like the best out of the best, because it's not. Teespring is definitely not. Like, if Teespring was on a table with Wix, Shopify, and all these other things, I wouldn't pick them, right? But if they said pick which one is free, or even if I have a free trial, I would pick Teespring because it's free. Okay, so you understand. All right, so yeah, if you are a clothing brand person, if you are selling anything digitally, if you're selling artwork, anything, I'm telling y'all, come to Teespring and they will get you right. And then lastly, a last look at my webpage before I go ahead and get out. This is the website. It is not up yet, but once I get it out there, I'm telling y'all, please go and check it out.
Yes, sir. Lord, I made it. No more sleep. I gotta eat. I gotta rise. It can't be beat. The devil is busy. No, he's scared of me. I love the hustle. I go out and get it. The grind is real. Might never get finished.